Over the past few months, we've been exploring what's possible in the domain of human-agent interaction. Today I'm going to walk you through a demo of Project Mariner, a research prototype we built with our new Gemini 2.0 models. Let me show you how it works.
I'm going to start in the Gemini app, but Project Mariner is an experimental Chrome extension that works across all web pages.
In this demo, I'll be prompting the agent to find the most famous post-impressionist. Find a colorful painting of theirs on Google Arts and Culture. Then add some colorful paints to my Etsy cart. In Gemini, the agent starts by asking who the most famous post-impressionist is. Gemini quickly identifies Van Gogh as the most famous post-impressionist painter. From here, it navigates to Google Arts and Culture by typing in the URL into the address bar. You can see how this research prototype only works in your active tab. It doesn't work in the background. It opens the search bar to look for Van Gogh. Van Gogh is the first option, so it clicks on it. Now, it decides to click on the artist page to look for a colorful painting. We're able to see the agent's reasoning in the user interface throughout the process, so we can easily follow along to understand what it's planning. The agent realizes that the page only contains information about Van Gogh, so it decides to scroll down to look for artwork. It discovers a collection of art and starts looking at them to find a colorful option. The agent used its multimodal understanding capabilities to find a colorful painting of irises and clicks on it. After finding this painting, it navigates to Etsy by typing in the URL. It clicks on the search bar and searches for colorful paints. So now it's looking at different paint sets, and the agent gives us a sense of what it's optimizing for. As you can see, it's optimizing for price and visual appeal. The agent clicks on a set of watercolors that appears to be a good fit. It's then added to cart. After a moment, the agent asks me if it should proceed to checkout. This is an early research prototype, but it's a great example of how we are keeping a human in the loop and ensuring you're always in control. I'll just respond by saying there's no need to check out. And now it completes its task and hands back control. Project Mariner is now available to a select group of trusted testers as an experimental Chrome extension. They're giving us feedback to help us build this safely and responsibly. We're excited to see where this technology goes and what people create with it.